Hello, everyone. My name is Wilfredi Mosquera Torres. I am 28 years old. I live in Turbo. I'm from Turbo too. I love my town because it's a warm and nice town. I study English at UNAT University. I study online. It has been a nice experience because I don't see the physical, exactly physical, or I don't keeping in contact with my classmate. But online, we have the strength, the relationship. We work together, a nice work in these collaborative activities. I like to read. I usually play football and basketball. I don't like to play volleyball, but I would like to practice it. This sport because it's important to develop some skills in this way. I live with my wife and my son. She is lazy. She is 25 years old. She is working in a restaurant in the downtown in Turbo. My son is 8 years. He's studying at primary school. He's cursing the fourth grade. I work him as an English teacher in San Jose School. This school is a link with La Salle in Colombia. It's a nice labor in Navarre region because it's adopting some curriculum to special necessities with students. I love my job. I work with a work team, with a nice work team and a wonderful work team because every day they contribute to me some skills, some topics. Every day we are review um, our strengths, the weakness, strengths, the several skills or activity we have to do in doing during the week. Okay, my daily routine is normal. I consider it's normal. For example, I get up at 5 a.m. in the morning, and I go to school. I go to work at 6 p.m. I work the whole day some days. For example, on Tuesday I work until 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. Um, on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday I work the whole day. It's an strict schedule because it's busy every day. I go back home so busy, but I love my job. Thursday and Friday I go back home at 2 p.m. It's a nice work, but he's very busy when I leave at 5 p.m. in the working the whole day. I would like to learn more English, another language too. I would like to learn French because they help me. It's helped to me to improve, to open the door in several campus and several aspects. For example, my goal is to end my career in as an English teacher, but the idea is to make a master in educational methodologies in educational as a teaching English or whatever language. I would like to improve in this case. Um, uh, on another hand is I like to play drums. I don't like playing piano. I For me it's amazing when another people like Daniel play piano or guitar. It's amazing for me. That's all. But I don't know. I don't know to play this instrument. I would like to learn. I don't know who is going to learn the axe instrument. Mm, I like to read too and spend time with my family on weekends. For example, on Saturday we visit our aunt. She lives in a farm. It's a it's a wonderful experience every Saturday. But on Sunday we go to church uh, in family. In this case, the last Sunday we go to the beach. In this, um, we enjoyed swimming in the sea, eating mango, several activities with my son and wife. I thank to God with my family. I thank to God with my opportunities and every day that I receive with God. I would like to end my career. Let's continue um, studying English or studying whatever language because he helped me to open the door. He helped me to focus a main goal, a main objective with my life. Thank you for your attention. God bless you every day and see you next and another opportunity. Bye bye.